we're seeing temperatures a little bit cooler. We're at 58 degrees in Lawrence. You can see the ground is still wet, but the rain has moved on. We do have visibility issues in several spots. Some fog has developed. Out in Bloomington, that visibility has dropped to a half a mile. Up in Tippecanoe County, Lafayette, your visibility has been more of a problem this morning. A third-mile visibility currently, and even in Indianapolis out of the airport, that visibility has now dropped to 2 miles. We'll see these numbers moving around over the next couple of hours, but just keep that in mind if you're heading out this morning. Some fog out there to greet you out the door in many locations, as well as wet roads, even though no ongoing rain, and many leaves could be down on those roadways just due to the gusty winds that we had yesterday, bringing what's left of our leaves down to the ground. So that means that wet leaves on the roadways could create some stopping trouble out there, a little more of a slick feel for those out on the roads over those leaves. Live Guardian radar, though, we are dry around central Indiana. The rain is now moving on out into Ohio and into Kentucky, but it left us with a healthy rainfall totals from yesterday. These are the estimates over the last 24 hours, and you can see the heaviest here in those yellows and oranges passing right over the heart of central Indiana. We could use more rain than this, but areas in these oranges and yellows picking up 1 to 2 inches of rainfall, and that includes in Indianapolis over both days, yesterday and early this morning, picking up over 1.33 inches of rain. But our drought monitor shows how much we desperately needed, as most of central Indiana is under drought conditions, a moderate drought around Marion County, Hamilton County, and then points north of there under severe drought conditions, that darker brown color, and that's an area that didn't get as much rain yesterday. So again, still could use more rain, but this is very helpful, beneficial rainfall that we received. It's exiting now. We will see skies brighten as we head through the day, and it was a windy day yesterday. Those winds will be lighter today, only around 3 to 6 miles per hour. We're at 59 degrees in Indy, 52 in Lafayette, and 64 in Shelbyville, and these temperatures are about 5 to 15 degrees cooler than this time yesterday. And as we get into this afternoon, by the lunch hour, we're in the mid-60s. We hold steady there as we head into the late afternoon with highs in the upper 60s. That'll still be more than 10 degrees above average for this time of year. The average holding at 56 for today, so no 70s, but this is still a mild pattern that we are in. As we head into the evening hours by 10 o'clock, still pretty quiet, partly cloudy skies and temperatures in the mid-50s. We start tomorrow morning off with temperatures a good bit cooler. We drop down into the 40s. Think about taking a jacket as you're heading out early tomorrow morning, and then as we get into tomorrow afternoon, high of 60, still above average, but cooler than today, with plenty of sunshine around both Thursday and Friday. Make sure those sunglasses are available too. We're back into the mid-60s Friday and Saturday, but rain chances return late Saturday night into early Sunday. Most of the rain we'll see Sunday comes during the morning into the early afternoon. Then we'll be drying into the evening hours. A few thunderstorms will be possible too, but temperatures highs in the 60s over these next 7 days.